What's good, guys? Today is our first collaboration video. We're preparing for our first half marathon.
Sunday morning, guys, we're gonna hit the easy workout followed by
Easy 5 kilometer run, hill sprints, and 100-meter dashes. Let's get it.
just finished our workout for the morning. Muzia was our main pacer for our 5K. He'll guide you through how we felt.
So initially it was supposed to be an easy run, but yeah, it clinched. We do our best and we earn every round.
As Muzaffar said, it was supposed to be an easy run, but he kept us on our toes. Plus, now with my knee injury, but you know, we all about the discipline and the grind here. It clinched.